Dear students, good morning. Now we try to learn basics in trigonometry, which we have studied in our 10th standard. These basics are very important to move further and to learn new points in trigonometry. For that, basics are very important. Try. Try means 3. The word trigonometry consists of try. Try means 3. Agon means angles. 3 angles. Metry means measurement. Measurement of 3 angles. In which polygon do we have 3 angles? In a triangle, we have 3 angles. So, trigonometry is based on a right-angled triangle. This is a right-angled triangle. One of the angle is 90. So this is a right-angled triangle. Largest side or opposite to 90 degrees. Side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And we know sum of 3 angles. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Let me name the triangle as A, B, C. Right angle is at angle B. Sum of 3 angles is 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C must be 180. This is already 90 degrees. If you add remaining 2, you have to get 90. Which means, if it is 90, then what are the remaining 2 angles? Each angle must be less than 90. Angle A is less than 90. Angle C is also less than 90. Then if you add these 3 angles, you have to get 180 degrees, as you have learned in your basic geometry. Suppose this angle is 60 degrees, then it must be 30 degrees, because 60 plus 90, 150, plus 30, 180. Right. Angle A and angle C are acute angles. Angle A, angle C are acute angles. So, if I take this acute angle as theta, side opposite to this theta, side opposite to this angle theta, this is opposite side, because this is opposite to this side. Theta is opposite to this side, so this is opposite side. This side is just adjacent to the theta, so this become adjacent side. Suppose if you consider this angle as theta, then this side become opposite side, this become adjacent side. So you have to decide the opposite and adjacent sides based on the acute angle you have taken. If I take acute angle here, then this become opposite and this is adjacent. If you take acute angle here, then this is opposite and this become adjacent. Whatever it may be, this is always hypotenuse, the longest side in this right angled triangle. Sin theta is defined as opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB by AC. AB by AC. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? BC is adjacent side by hypotenuse is AC. Now tan theta opposite by adjacent, that is what is opposite? AB by adjacent is BC, which is also equal to sin theta by cos theta. See here, if you take the ratio by, both the denominators get cancelled, AB by BC. So if you take the ratio, you will get AB by BC, that is equal to sin theta by cos theta. These three are considered as primary trigonometric ratios. These three ratios are called primary trigonometric ratios because the other three, cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? Defined as hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. So AC by opposite. What is opposite side? AB. Now, if you observe, this is the reciprocal of sine. AB by AC is sine. Its reciprocal is AC by AB. That is 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. So cosecant theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. If you reverse if you take the reciprocal, it become cosecant theta. In cosecant theta, if you take reciprocal, it become sin theta. Right. Which means cosecant theta is the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of sin theta. Now secant theta. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So what is opposite? What is hypotenuse? AC. By adjacent side is BC. That is the reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly, the cot theta is adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? Adjacent is BC by opposite is AB. Means the reciprocal of tan theta. Means 1 by tan theta. That means the reciprocal of sin theta by cos theta. So it becomes cos theta by sin theta. So these cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta are purely based on these three trigonometric ratios, which means if you know sin theta, you can say cosecant theta. If you know cos theta, you can say secant theta. If you know tan theta, you can say cot theta. So out of these six ratios, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta are called primary trigonometric ratios. And very important point is, without this theta, sin has no meaning. Only sin has no meaning. Only cos has no meaning, because basing on the theta itself, you have to recognize the opposite side. Without theta, how can you judge this is opposite side and this is adjacent side? So theta decides the opposite side. Without theta, you cannot judge the opposite side. So without theta, there is no meaning to sin. Similarly to the rest of the ratios. Without theta, there is no meaning to cos. So sin has no meaning, whereas sin theta has a meaning. What is that? Side opposite to theta. Side opposite to theta upon the hypotenuse. So all the six trigonometric ratios without theta, they has no meaning. And it doesn't mean that sin into theta. It doesn't mean that sin into theta. This is also wrong. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. That's all. It doesn't mean that sin into theta. I think I am very much clear about this. Right. In the next video, we try to learn the trigonometric identities. Right.